Hello folks, out here at Lake Wells Lake. We're going to take up the e-flite Timber Turbo. We're going to have a little bit of fun on this early morning time. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Really no wind right now, but we're going to see what we can do. Let me get over here next to my precious cameraman. And she's got the plane all centered up. And we're going to take off a little bit over in this direction here. We're going to taxi over. The wind, the little bit of wind there is out of the southeast, so I'm going to turn the plane towards the southeast. I'm going to put on takeoff flaps, and we're going to try our best to do a nice scale takeoff. Right now I'm running an Admiral 2200 4S battery. The 4S is pretty much the only thing that I fly in my timbers. All right, we're going to turn off towards the west here. Bring it back by. We'll drop it down a little bit low so we can see it. All right. We'll drop them flaps down. Do a nice, gentle little flight here. Not doing anything crazy. We'll come back towards us here. Okay. All right, now we're going to do a complete turn, and then we're going to turn back the other direction and start flying this way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to line her up for a landing. So a nice slow pass here. That way we can see the plane real well. Flat, somewhat of a flat turn there. All right, let me get her out a little bit. We're going to turn back towards us. And we're going to bring her in for a landing. There you go. We're going to just continue in that same direction. We're going to take off again, this time a little more force to it. All right. I'm going to do that again. Go. All right, what we're going to do this time is we're going to go a little bit faster. We're going to take off towards the south with no takeoff flaps. We're going to go straight up and do a stall turn, sloppy one. Go off towards the lake. Okay, we're going to come back and we're going to do a high-speed pass. Here we go, high-speed pass. We're going to turn around. We're going to take that battery out because that battery just seems not to have very much punch right now. That's an older battery, so I'm going to turn around. I'm going to land. Like I said, that's an older Admiral battery. Alright, we're going to move the plane towards us. We're going to taxi back on the ground towards us. And we're going to change out batteries and change to a different plane. Give the ESC time to cool down, even if it is hot. Alright, you're a happy dirty bird. Happy dirty bird. All right. Thank you for watching, folks. That's Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.